Hi, I'm Cheryl Eisen, founder of Interior Marketing Group. Welcome to 807 Park Avenue, a new take on townhouse living. We've reimagined the space to be modern yet timeless. And walking throughout, you really do feel like you're walking through a New York City townhouse. It's got 4 beautiful bedrooms and multiple spaces to entertain in style. As you step off the Keat elevator, you're drawn into this expansive and dramatic great room. You rarely see a great room of this scale in the city, and it lets you know that this home is going to be something different. Just look at this double height ceiling and these windows. There was so much to work with and so many opportunities to go huge, but we also had to keep it warm and inviting. We used oversized custom art which spans 4 canvases and serves as the main pop of color for the room. Right across from it, over the fireplace, we used a mirror installation with brass accents. Not only does it add a decorative touch, but it adds to the sense of scale. Custom floor-to-ceiling drapes accentuate the intricate architectural detail of the curved windows and draw the eyes up. We always love low-profile and neutral furnishings, but with this space, we could really maximize the seating. So you can invite everyone. There's plenty of room. Where the ceiling drops was a natural place to put the formal dining area. The statement lighting also adds the sense that it's its own space. And the wall of mirrors adds dimension and light, and also happens to be one of our signature design tricks. We wanted the kitchen to feel sophisticated yet cozy, but of course, functional. We built a banquette to optimize seating and also hung a statement light fixture over it. All throughout, we paired sleek neutrals with gold and metallic accents. Another one of our signature design tricks. In a kitchen, I tend not to do drapes, and these huge windows let in plenty of natural light, adding to the airiness and its sense of scale. Upstairs, we took the opportunity to create even more entertaining spaces. First off, the lounge. We brought in 2 leather nesting coffee tables, and we flanked the fireplace with floating shelves to maximize storage. Leather seating adds texture and complements the tables. In contrast with the great room, I wanted this space to feel a little more masculine. My take on the modern man cave. But really, there's something for everyone to kick back and relax. But for fun, we also created a game room where you can practice your break and have a glass of wine. It also overlooks the great room for a brand new perspective on that space. And if you're having a party, you could also check out what's going on below before making your grand entrance. The master bedroom is warm and comfortable, but also stylish and sexy. Gray was our main color scheme, and we used varying shades throughout. The custom headboard creates a cozy, soft feeling, and the graceful seating is the perfect place to unwind with a book before bed. I hope you enjoyed checking out this modern yet timeless townhouse over Prime Park Avenue. Thanks for coming, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share.